Okay, so I'm doing a review of the Little Coughs raspberry syrup on behalf of my little 3-year-old. So it comes with the syringe, so it's easy to dispense into his mouth. Actually, the flavour, it's raspberry flavour, but when I asked him, he said he thought it was banana, then strawberry, then raspberry. So I'm not sure about the flavour, but it actually did go down nicely. He didn't complain about the taste, so that's a win. He's had a cough for a few days now, and I've been using it for a few days, and it's not gotten any better. However, it could just be different types of coughs that it works for. Maybe it doesn't work for his cough that he's got. But yeah, it's working as in it's going in his mouth, and he likes the taste of it. Thank you.